up guys, welcome back to another video. If you didn't catch yesterday's video, we just bought a 350Z drift car and we are visiting the boys out in Florida. We're hanging out with LZ and all the Connecticut boys, Tommy F, yeah, Grant, Jimmy Oaks. Pretty much all my drift friends from the East Coast. I'm following my buddy Grant right now to a Wawa, and for those on the East Coast who don't know what a Wawa is, I'm gonna put you guys onto something new. I'm relatively new to the whole Wawa scene. I learned about it a couple of years ago. But we're going there for breakfast this morning, and on the way there, Sabrina was like, wait, what's a Wawa? So Sabrina, we're about to take your Wawa virginity today. It's a pretty much gas station, but it has really good food.
I like how he's like, East Coast boys, if you don't know what a Wawa is, of course everybody here
did I say that? I meant West Coast boys.
Okay, West Coast people.
Sorry.
I'm about to experience it for the first time. I'm kind of excited. This is definitely way bigger than just a gas station.
What do you mean?
That's a store. It's a grocery store.
It's not a grocery store. It's a gas station.
That's a gas station.
Gas station food.
So that's like the little 7-Eleven.
I mean,
that we have in California, except that's like a full blown. It's pretty cool.
Yes, yeah. That can help you out. Oh, never mind. Uh-oh.
I have 300. 90.
Yeah?
Those scanners.
Yeah?
The motherfucker don't stop.
Well,
You mechanic or no mechanic?
am I a mechanic?
Yeah.
Do I look like a mechanic? I learned everything I know from giant looking motherfucker over there.
I'm mechanic, but I don't work in this. I'm mechanic.
Oh.
Forever.
Check to see if it has gas. Grand dude, sending wild Floridians on me. Floridians on me.
I heard him just say, oh, he
Trying to get gas. This is what happens when you have a million Z's take over. Oh look, here's Colette.
I don't have a crate. Can I get in front of you?
Go.
Girl, get in front of us.
Yeah, Colette's just rolling no plate, no nothing. Who needs it? Not I, she says.
Do we have a plate?
Yeah, we do.
Posting this online?
No.
No.
You can post it. You can post it. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So we're all now driving to the Freedom Factory. Adam's got his trailer. Jimmy's got his open trailer. Colette's in her Z. Grant's in his Z. Tommy's in his Z. I'm in my Z. Rudnick is in his Z. We're mobbing
So
in
many
the Z.
Z's.
It's a 3-hour drive in a drift car. Not my most exciting.
With no plates.
Oh, well, yeah, Colette's running dirty here. You can get a quick bird. Oh, I think we're getting on the freeway.
Dude, that thing looks freaking cool.
Yeah?
Yes.
You want one of those?
Yeah, I want one of those.
A pinky? You want a Patrick Star?
I wanted a Patrick Star for so long.
Oh, you don't.
I mean, not this, but a pink car.
You can. I mean, this is technically your Z, so you can get a little rip on
We
it.
could turn this pink.
Hopefully today we'll have the opportunity to like kind of teach you some basics. If not, we'll be able to do it on Sunday.
Oh yeah, boys. I'm learning to drift this trip, and it's gonna be great.
Well, you got the crazy cards down, so it's only the next step to take you to real life.
Naturally. Naturally, we find ourselves at Wawa again.
Did you? 92
Grant's making friends everywhere.
Grant's making friends.
Friends with the biker gang because Grant looks like he belongs in a biker gang.
Exactly.
Look at him. I told Grant yesterday, I'm like, Grant, if you just casually wore a leather vest jacket with no sleeves and no shirt or anything, I wouldn't think anything about it. I would just be like, yeah, that's what you would be wearing.
Yeah, 100%.
So it
Look
would
at
make
him.
sense that he makes friends with it.
Have a good day, man.
Holy shit. All right, Sabrina's review of her first Wawa sandwich.
Unreal.
Super good,
I'm moving here.
right? Gas station.
I'm moving here.
Just some gas
Just
station
a gas
food.
station.
Hey, boss,
Yeah,
is this your wife?
it will be soon.
Okay. Would you mind if I got a picture of her on my bike so I can send it to my wife so they can tell her what's going on?
So you can
I can send it to you guys too.
So you
you guys
can-
say, whatever.
So you can send it to your wife?
Yeah, send it to my wife. What do you do all day? That's what I do.
It's
winning bike. I should use your respect.
You gotta ask me.
Oh.
yeah.
I sent up my bike.
You're also on it.
Oh my god.
Only if my boyfriend can video it for his vlog.
What the heck, Florida? Whoa! Oh no, hey dude, yeah, dude, I'm getting this. Dude, this is a great photo for me.
Of course, of course. There you go. We're gonna jump her. There it is. All right, dude.
How do I look, good?
So you see what I took here. Just,
Yeah, how's it look?
I go, shit, dude. Hell, man, I'm an old man. Oh,
Hell yeah, dude, there you
Bro,
go.
and your car's behind it? Shit.
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Alright, we're heading out. Have a good one. Well, welcome.
I love Florida.
Are you a Florida girl? Apparently, you're a Harley person now.
I'm a biker girl now, apparently. Who needs TJ when we have you in the front seat?
Well, I'm just stealing TJ's air conditioning because my car
Naturally.
currently doesn't have any.
Yeah, it's a necessity for sure out here.
Well, the forecast said like 65, 70. I'm like, oh, I'll be fine. It's like 100.
Yeah, it's like 500 degrees.
It's brutal. Let's see. Look at him back there. What are you doing?
What are you doing back there?
Dude, I have like spare parts for days.
He's so lost. Go help him.
He's got it. He's a big boy. I'm just trying to cool myself down, and then I'll help him.
Grant's got some swamp ass he's trying to cool off.
Do you?
No.
Do you?
I'm what do the girls call it when their foreheads are glossy?
Oh, you're oily.
No, I'm not oily. I'm shimmery. Right?
Oh, you're shimmery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch the comment section be like, oh, Grant doesn't have a YouTube channel. Wham, wham, wham.
Where's your YouTube channel, Grant?
all the
Wah,
time
wah,
is like,
wah.
dude, I should start a channel. I'm like, I don't know what to
You
tell you. I think you
should.
should do.
Calling me out so bad.
Yeah, because like I don't know what more you need.
I need you.
Look at him twiddling with the AC. He's nervous.
Nervously,
He's nervous. He's like, oh, okay, I'll start one.
Hey, I get it.
Sabrina's new. I don't know.
What are you wearing?
Can you hear me? Audio check. Do you have the AC blowing in it?
Dude, you know what? I'm not a vlogger.
Well, you should be.
What are you wearing?
This is a All right, coming this Friday. Sabrina, right? This Friday?
Friday 2/11, baby.
What's the date?
2/11.
February 11th. We have been teasing some of these shirts on the Instagram. Check it out. Check it out.
Oh, baby.
Ooh, let me see the front. Let me see the front.
The front has that on it.
Wow.
We have the RX-7, we have the Mark IV Supra, we have the BRZ, and we have the Lamborghini Huracan. We have this in t-shirts and in sweatshirts and in posters. I'm super hyped. Limited numbers of everything. Get it while it's hot, fresh off the press. That was a terrible ad. I'm
That was great.
gonna have to redo it again.
That was great, TJ.
I'm gonna do multiple.
He's still recording. There you go.
When are you finishing your sleeve?
You're filming this, aren't you?
We just wanted to know.
I just want to know.
Working on it. I'm working on it, alright?
We want you to be looking like this over here.
I don't know if I can get to that level.
Why not? It's
I
like 4
think you
tattoos.
can.
No, because
This isn't even a sleeve, you bitch.
I didn't say it was.
It's kind of asleep.
No.
We're missing like the part of the arm that
we're
hurts the
missing-
most.
Yeah, the hardest part.
I'll do it when Grant decides to break out his leather vest jacket with cutoff. When he wears that, then I'll go finish.
When you come to Connecticut, I'll put it on just for you.
all right.
Oh, you heard
I only
me.
have
Heard it here
I don't have a
first.
leather one. I have a jean one.
No, it's
Gotta be leather.
Okay,
We'll bring him one.
good.
It's gotta be like that guy at the gas station. That was your
Sabrina's new husband.
Yeah, Sabrina's new boyfriend.
My new boy.
I thought he was gonna hop on and just ride off into the sunset with that.
He's gonna steal my girl.
What does it look like when a bunch of YouTubers are trying to get their picture taken with their cars? This is what it looks like. What? I'm not saying anything. How's my new car feel?
We're dialing it in. We're dialing it in slowly.
California.
What do you do when you have too much money?
You buy a tank.
You buy that.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
That's cool. That is so cool.
What the fuck? Of course, what usually happens once we start drifting is I get so excited I just never pick up a camera and actually never really do anything. So I know that Sabrina got some clips inside the car and some outside clips. I brought GoPro stuff but didn't set it up, but we're gonna do more days of drifting later on in this trip. This car drove pretty well. One thing that I wish we would have paid closer attention to is the alignment in the back, because on both sides I'm running too much camber apparently because we keep just cording before the rest of the tire actually gives out. Probably could have had like maybe 5 more laps before the rears went out, but that side's cording and that side's cording, and then this started throwing strings. Other than that, this thing's driving pretty well. It has a PBM angle kit, which I use a WiseFab kit. I originally learned on a PBM kit. I will be honest, I do miss my WiseFab. The PBM's okay to go back to, but it's definitely not my preferred setup. But it was really cool getting to drive with Grant, getting to drive with Adam, Colette, Tommy, Jimmy. It's been a lot of fun. I think we are just all out of tire now, and we are going to start packing up, and I don't know, we still have a 3-hour drive home, so I don't know if we're gonna go try and get dinner with Garrett, or I don't know what the plan is, honestly, but I'll keep you guys filled in. So apparently Adam thought it would be a really good idea to do a grip race with the drift seeds around the oval. Now, keep in mind, these are set up as drift cars, so they're set up to oversteer, and they're gonna go as fast as they can. If it can focus on not the fence, that'd be super sick. Okay, this is great focus on the fence, but can we do it not? Anyways, they're gonna try to go as fast as they can around this oval, and they're gonna do a 5-lap race. I wasn't gonna film it, and then Sabrina was like, TJ, you should film this.
You're welcome.
It's gonna be really hard because you can't zoom past the fence,
But still, you can get the gist.
I'll be like, TJ, why are you not doing this? 1, my tires are smoked, and 2, that just seems like such a bad idea. Like going that really fast, and Adam's really competitive, Matt's really competitive, Tommy's really competitive. I just decided I didn't want to risk my life today, so I thought I would film it for our entertainment, boys.
Teach, we're setting it out because we want to give them a fighting chance.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
I said,
you're right,
I said
you're
do
right.
that because I thought all you guys were gonna do it, and you guys all can't fit into the first turn together, so everyone's just gonna crash. I was like, that'd be hilarious to watch.
Is that Mike?
Oh, Tommy with the bad shot.
Oh, Ginge with a fatty lead. Oh, that's scary, dude.
Dude, my boy is yanking.
Oh, Adam coming up. Oh, his car shut off. His car shut off. Oh.
Damn it!
Dude, look at Adam go.
Come on.
That's so scary, dude. Well, there you have it, folks. We just finished up dinner, and Tommy and Grant turned on their LEDs, and I found a remote in the car, and I noticed that I have it too.
It's so sick.
It was actually pretty dope. Is this legal here?
Yeah, they don't give a fuck about anything else.
So I can drive home with this on?
Look at that one. Look at that one.
Sure or yes?
Yeah.
Breathes. Look at my car.
You're just saying that. You don't give a f if I get in
drive
trouble.
all the way to Connecticut with that.
Grant, is this legal?
Yeah, anything's legal if you don't get caught.
Okay, but like in...
It's a rainbow.
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Look at that one.
That's tight. That's tight.
Okay, we'll see. If we can get some rollers with this, that'd be super dope. We've been driving back now from dinner for the past, I think, hour and a half, and we have like an hour more to go. It's getting late, it's 9:30. I'm tired. I got my NOS energy trying to keep me awake. I'm really shocked that this drift car is like holding it together. It definitely shakes